Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss introduction to computer multiple choice questions. These questions are important for you for any upcoming exam. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, what does CPU stands for? In computer, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, which is the brain of the computer. It executes instructions. 2. Which device is used to input text into computer? Monitor, printer, keyboard, speaker. The type of device that used to input text into a computer is an input device, which is keyboard. 3. What is the main function of RAM? Permanent storage, temporary working memory, displaying graphics, connecting to internet. The function of RAM is temporary working memory that stores data temporarily for quick access while the computer runs. 4. Which of these is an operating system? Microsoft Word, Windows, Google Chrome, Photoshop. The type of operating system from this option, Windows, that manage hardware and software resources on a computer. 5. What does Ctrl+C do in most programs? In most programs in our computer, Ctrl+C that's used for copy. Which file extension is used for Microsoft Word documents? Microsoft Word document.docx. What is browser used for? A browser that used for browsing the internet, like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and so on. There are so many types of browsers. Which component stores data permanently? RAM, cache, hard disk, register. The only hard disk is that used to store information or data permanently. That retains data even if the power of the computer is off. The other RAM, cache, and registers are temporary storage devices that helps for quick access of the CPU process. What does WWW stands for? WWW stands for World Wide Web. That refers to the system of interlinked web pages. Which key is used to delete character to the left of the cursor? Backspace. That remove character before the cursor position. What is the shortcut for save in most applications? To save most application in computer, Ctrl+S. Which of these is an input device? Monitor, mouse, printer, speaker. Mouse is an input device that sends input command like click and movement. Question number 30. What does URL stands for? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, the address used to locate resource on the web. Which software is used to create spreadsheet? Microsoft Excel, designed for numerical data formulas and charts. What is malware? In computer, malware means harmful softwares that designed to damage, whether intentionally or unintentionally, to exploit systems, or designed to manage the system. We shortcut used to undo an action in our computer. Control plus Z that reverses the last action performed or undo the action. What does PDF stands for? In computer related information, which is PDF stands for Portable Document Format, preserve document formatting across a device. Which part of the computer displays output visually? The type of the computer device or part of the computer that used to display output visually is monitor. Question number 19. What is the purpose of an antivirus program? Antivirus program that used to design to detect and remove malicious programs. The last question. Which of the following is cloud storage service? Google Drive, Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, Regis Player. Google Drive store files online accessible from anywhere. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.